Look what we dug up. This is a peach wine that I made back in 2018, so it's coming up on 4 years old. Now, if you've been watching our show for more than, I don't know, 2 or 3 episodes, you probably know that peach is my nemesis. Now, while we say that, it's not really, it's just a joke. It just, pretty much every time I've tried to make something with peach, it's kind of disappointed me. So it's never been a great thing.
Here's Brian's expectations. Here's where the end result ends up coming up.
I think we tasted this a couple of years ago, and it was like, it was okay. Well, this particular bottle, it's the tiny little Tortuga, I think it's pineapple rum.
Pineapple, yeah.
Which is really good stuff, by the way. If you can get Tortuga pineapple rum, get some, try it, you will love it. This, I don't know if I didn't let it clear enough or what, but it dropped a lot more sediment after, so this is probably the only tasting this bottle's ever gonna have.
We're introducing new ideas and new concepts and new things into our brewing repertoire, and I have some ideas of how we may finally conquer the peach.
Okay. Right off the bat, I am smelling peach.
So the slow pour that Brian is doing, notice I did not do that because I'm a spasmo and I would just jostle it everywhere.
Goop.
Serious goop. Left us with a surprisingly clear beverage. The top portion was nice and clear.
What's left is surprisingly not clear. Yeah, yours is a little clearer than mine because I got a little bit of the sediment.
And it's got a golden yet peachy color to it.
Now, if I remember correctly, this is made with peach juice, and it's just peach juice, sugar, and yeast probably. Pretty simple stuff.
It smells cooked.
Yeah, it smells peachy though.
It does smell
peachy,
but it smells
rather
like
pleasant.
Like peach cobbler or something.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, Dad, you're missing out. I
like
know
candied peach.
You would love this.
That's what it smells like, candied peach. Or like pineapple upside down cake made with peaches.
All right, so if you ever travel to West Virginia or you are from West Virginia, then you are familiar with a really cool venue called Tamarack. And it is like their crafting hub center.
Oh, I remember we went there.
It is the coolest place. You can find anything that you could imagine, plus some things that you can't imagine that are homemade. They have demonstrations of people doing glass blowing, weaving, all sorts of stuff. Anyway, they have a side section that is an eatery where they source local foodstuffs to give to their guests. Of course, you have to pay for it. But one of the things that they have there that my mom always looks for, because she doesn't really like peaches, but they have a particular type of canned peach that she actually really likes. So every time we go there, we have to get at least 1 or 2 of these cans of peaches because Dad loves peaches and the rest of us are kind of like, yeah, peach, okay. So this makes the whole family happy. I know that was a really long story, but this reminds me of those canned peaches just on the aroma because...
I've never had those canned peaches. Judy ate them all before I got in.
Yes, she did.
Not even kidding.
And
I've never had them.
We might just have to make a trip to West Virginia just so we can go to Tamarack. Anyway.
I think you need to taste it. Okay, I'd also like to go on record as saying, this is 15% ABV. And it's very dry. This is dry. I can't say I love it. I don't think it's amazing.
It is not.
It does have peach flavor. I will give it that. Strong ethanol, though. Very strong in the alcohol. Much stronger than you would ever expect. I'll take you on a trip, but it's going to be a short one. As it enters your mouth, it's a little more watery than I would have expected it to be. Yeah. The peach flavor is kind of muted back by the bitterness of the ethanol. Just, it's kind of taken down a notch. On the finish, it's almost like, I feel like a dragon. As you breathe out, you feel the ethanol burn, which is really unusual for me. I mean, I drink whiskey neat, and I don't generally get that kind of thing. So
This was a 15%.
this is 15%. It's a little unusual. I can't say it's great. It does have more peach flavor than I've ever been able to really get into something.
Yeah, but I agree with you, because at first I'm like, what is that funk? And
Someone will really like this.
It's
not me.
Heavy alcohol and flavor, even though it's only 15%.
Yep. Now, I want to go on record as saying something too. I have also discovered that I may not actually like the flavor of fermented peaches.
Right.
I love peaches. I eat peaches fresh.
He does.
But I've yet to find a fermented peach beverage that I actually really like, whether I made it or not. So there's something there too, and you have to just go with, okay, that's just a thing.
Do we still have any of the peach brandy left, or do we drink that all?
Oh, I don't know.
It's gone. Sorry.
Yep, Terry drank it all.
Do an impromptu test there, but
Yeah, I wasn't too crazy about the peach brandy either.
I think
It was okay.
some of the things that I'm missing from this, and I know that would mess things up.
Body, tannins,
Right.
sweetness, good flavor, you know.
I actually think I would like this better as a mead than as a wine.
Yeah, if this had honey added to it, I think it would be better.
If it had honey and then it was back sweetened with honey again,
So am I starting to feel that I need to be challenged and make a peach mead that I could drink?
I think
Oh boy.
we might go there.
Okay.
I don't feel this needs a score. This was an
I can put a number on it if you really want me to.
experiment weird thing that we didn't even do a recipe for. So
We don't need to give an official score, but I'm going to give my score. This is like a 2. It's like 2.5 tops. It's just not good. Somebody is going to drink this and go, what are you talking about? That's great. For me, it's not my thing. Oh. All right, we'll hear.
I should be like the official spokesperson for Cointreau. So if it doesn't taste good, add some Cointreau. And the reason why I'm doing this is that I was thinking like fuzzy navel.
That's orange.
Right, but Cointreau is orangey.
Orange and peach. Oh, look at that. Orange and peach. You're right. See, heck, she was right.
Okay, I'm doing the swirl. Look at me. I'm doing the swirl. It's swirling. I'm not making a mess. Are you impressed? I'm pretty excited because normally I make a disaster. Oh, see, now it already smells
Throw more alcohol
better.
on something that already tastes like alcohol. All right, I need to try this. It's probably much better. See, now that's actually quite good. It really does give the impression of the fuzzy navel. It's a little less harsh than a fuzzy navel, actually.
Cointreau.
Well, fuzzy navels have vodka in them.
If it doesn't taste good, add Cointreau.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure you could put that on the
Cointreau,
bumper of a
if you're
Volkswagen.
listening, I'm your girl.
Yeah. So I have to agree, that really does. It's not the same as just drinking straight Cointreau, which I have tried. It does add a little bit of the peach flavor back into it. It also has a syrup-like consistency to Cointreau. It added the body that was sadly lacking. That brings this, I mean, honestly,
And I'm not getting I'm alcohol.
if this was the way we made this, this is like an 8.
This is 40% alcohol.
Yeah,
so
but if
it's
this
not-
if it tasted like this is like an 8 to a 9.
Oh,
it's
absolutely.
that kind of good.
Yeah.
I was giving it a 2 and I was being generous.
Yeah.
So
Which makes me wonder, maybe
we need orange added
we
to
need
it.
some orange peel or something tossed in
We
there.
make a fuzzy navel mead.
Huh? What do you think? Tell us what you think in the comments
I
below.
don't like that idea. Fuzzy navel mead. Yeah. All right, cool. At any rate, Derek is going to finish that and probably add a little bit more Cointreau to it. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.
Bye-bye.